Hello everyone, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to share with you 30 skincare tips that helped me and I hope will help you. Let's start. Brush your teeth before washing your face and before your skincare. Replace your pillowcase weekly. Disinfect your phone weekly. Clean your makeup brushes. When applying your skincare, allow each layer to absorb for 30-60 seconds. Use sunscreen. Exfoliate your skin 1 to 3 times a week. Put extra skincare product on your neck and the back of your hands. Use ice to reduce inflammation, breakouts. Include kiwis, avocados, sweet potatoes, blueberries, and turmeric in your diet for clear, glowing skin. Find out your skin type. Drink at least 2 liters of water every day. Do facial massages regularly, by hand or using a gouache sha and a jade roller. Double cleanse your face. First use an oil cleanser or a cleansing balm, then a water-based cleanser. Avoid touching your face. Sleep for at least 7 hours. Avoid using too many skincare products. Only use 4 to 5 products in your skincare routine. Use rice water as a toner on your face. Press 2 cold spoons every morning to your under eyes to reduce dark circles. The spoons should be kept in the freezer overnight. Use a face mask based on your skin concern at least once a week. Twice a week are recommended. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline on your lips at night and wipe it off in the morning to get soft pink lips. Work out daily for glowing skin, light stretches, Pilates, HIIT, or just walking. Apply raw honey to the acne-affected areas on your face and cover it with a bandage. Leave it overnight and rinse with water the next morning. Include probiotics in your diet as your gut is directly connected to your skin health. Always wash your hands before doing your skincare. Morning skincare, single cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, SPF evening skincare, double cleansing, toner, serum, moisturizer. Drink detox water every morning when you wake up, lemon or cucumber plus water. Use a humidifier if you have one. Adopt a positive mindset and avoid stressing too much. Shower with cold water. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like it. See you in the next video. Bye.